In this video, we will discuss about geostationary satellite and polar satellites. First, we will discuss about geostationary satellite. A satellite in a circular orbit around the Earth in the equatorial plane with a time period 24 hours is called a geostationary satellite. You see in this figure, this is your geostationary satellite, and this satellite moves in a circular orbit. You see, this is the circular orbit around the Earth, and it is in the equatorial plane. This circular orbit is in the equatorial plane of the Earth, and the time period of this satellite is equal to 24 hours. The time period of revolution of Earth, that is 24 hours. Since the Earth rotates with the same time period, the satellite would appear fixed from any point on Earth. You see in this figure the rotation of the Earth and the rotation of the geostationary satellite is same. So the satellite would appear fixed from any point on Earth. Suppose you see from here, then you see that the satellite is at a fixed position. Suppose you see from here, now the satellite will come to this position. So the satellite would appear fixed from any point on the surface of Earth. Then what is the height of the geostationary satellite? From the expression of time period of the satellite, we have t equal to twice pi re plus h whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by g square root. This we have deduced in the previous video. So t square will be equal to 4 pi square re plus h whole cube divided by g into me. So re plus h will be equal to t square g me divided by 4 pi square to the power 1 by 3, and these are the known values. T is the 24 hours, this is the known value, and mass of the earth is known value, g value is also known, and re radius of earth is also known, and putting all these known values we can calculate the value of h, and we have calculated that the value of h, height of the geostationary satellite, is approximately equal to 35,800 km, and which is much larger than the radius of the earth. We know the radius of earth is 6,370 km. So the height of the geostationary satellite, if you compare with the radius of the earth, then this height is very large in comparison to the radius of earth. And that is why it takes very powerful rockets to throw off a satellite to such a large height above the earth's surface. What is the use of geostationary satellite? A geostationary satellite receives signal from broadcasting station and broadcasts them back to wide area on earth. Example of geostationary satellite: in India, INSAT group of satellites are such group of geostationary satellites. Next, we will discuss about polar satellites. Polar satellites are low altitude satellites, and height of the polar satellites is nearly 500 to 800 km from Earth's surface. In this figure, you see this is the polar satellite. The polar satellite revolves like this, and the height of this polar satellite is nearly 800 to 500 to 800 km from the surface of Earth. Polar satellites go around the poles of the Earth in a north-south direction. If you see the figure, this is the direction of the rotation of polar satellite. In this figure, you see Earth rotates around its axis in an east-west direction. You see Earth rotates in east-west direction, but polar satellite rotates in north-south direction like this. Earth rotates in east-west direction like this, and polar satellite rotates in north-south direction like this. Since polar satellites are very close to Earth's surface, a camera fixed on it can view only small stripes of the Earth in one orbit. Adjacent stripes are viewed in the next orbit. So the whole Earth can be viewed strip by strip. during the entire day. In this figure, you can see how the camera fixed on the polar satellite can view only small strips of the Earth in one orbit. This is one strip, this is another strip. So, strip by strip, you can catch photograph fitted in the camera of the polar satellite strip by strip. So, the whole Earth can be viewed strip by strip during the entire day. That is why these satellites can view polar and equatorial regions at close distances with good resolution. What are the applications of polar satellites? Polar satellites are useful in remote sensing, they are used in meteorology, and the polar satellites are also used in environmental studies of the Earth. So in this video we discussed about geostationary satellite and polar satellite. Thanks for watching.